Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we are at the last assignment for Python for data science. So assignment 4 is the last in this session. So click on week 4. So quiz week 4 assignment 4. This is the final assignment for this course. So for the first question, both 4 options are correct. Predicting the house price, predicting whether it will rain or not on a given day, predicting the maximum temperature on a given day, predicting the sales of the ice creams. For the first question, 4 options are correct. So for second question, binary classifications means yes or no. So first and second options are correct. For the third question, if a linear regression model achieves zero training error, can we say that all the data points lie on a hyperplane in the d+1 dimensional space? Here d is the number of features. So yes is the correct answer. And for the fourth question, which of the following machine learning techniques would not be appropriate to solve the problem given in the problem statement? Linear regression, option 4 is the correct answer. So then for the fifth question, after applying logistic regression, what is or are the correct observations from the resultant confusion matrix? So true positive equal to 94, true negative equal to 29. Option 2 is the correct answer for the fifth question. For sixth question, the logistic regression model built between the input and output variables is checked for its prediction accuracy of the test data. What is the accuracy range in percentage of the predictions made over test data? Option B, 90 to 95 is the correct answer. So for the seventh question, how are categorical variables pre-processed before model building? Option 2, dummy variables is the correct answer. For eighth question, a multiple linear regression is built on the global happiness index dataset ghi_report.csv. What is the RMSE of the baseline model? So option 3, 1.06 is the correct answer. For the ninth question, a regression model with the following function y equal to 60 plus 5.2x was built to understand the impact of humidity x on rainfall y. The humidity this week is 30 more than the previous week. What is the predicted difference in rainfall? So option A, 156 mm is the correct answer. For the final question in this final assignment is x and y are two variables that have a strong linear relationship. Which of the following statements are incorrect? There cannot be a negative relationship between the two variables. One variable may or may not cause a change in other variable. So both 1 and 3 options are correct answers for the assignment 4. My dear friends, please make use of this. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you.